Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the lens. Okay. So we already discussed about the reflection of light, and along with that, reflection of light is related with the mirror. Okay. So we discuss about the mirror also. Then we discuss about the refraction of light. This is not reflection. This is called refraction. Okay. So about after reflection, we also discuss about the refractive index. And we also discuss about the refractive index is directly proportional with the optical density, and refractive index and optical density both are indirectly proportional with the speed of light in that particular medium. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the lenses. Okay, so lenses is very important in our day-to-day life. Okay, that is we are wearing the spec. Okay, there is also lenses. Okay, in the binocular or in that camera, then also in what is this microscope, there is also lenses. Okay, so we have to understand what is the mechanism of lenses. Okay, so generally how the lenses are formed, that lenses are formed by transparent material bounded by two surface. Okay, so when a transparent material bounded by two surface, suppose this is bounded by two surface, or here this is also bounded by two surface, whether one is spherical, one is plane, or like this way. Okay, so there are two conditions, whether one is spherical and one is plane surface, whether both are spherical surface, and here also both are spherical surface. Okay, so they have some name. Okay, basically lenses are classified into two parts. Okay, one is convex and one is concave, or sometimes you can also use as a double convex or double concave. Okay, so always remember, convex lens have the diagram like that, and concave lens have the diagram like that. Convex diagram to enakwa hobo aru concave diagram to enakwa. Okay, after that, just like the mirror have the midpoint, same we have a point in the middle of two lenses. Okay, in the middle of the two lenses, this point is called optical center. This point is called optical center. Optical center, and this is denoted by O. This is denoted by O. Now question arises, what is the characteristic of this optical center? So optical center characteristic ki hoy? Okay, very important thing is what, that optical center characteristic is what, if the ray of light passes through the optical center, as we are learning about the refraction, then you always remember, if the ray of light passes through the optical center, then the ray of light does not show any refraction. That means সিহঁতে নিজৰ পাথটো কোনো ধৰণে চেঞ্জ নকৰিব, সিহঁতে এফালি অটোমেটিক্যালি যেনেকৈ ষ্ট্ৰেট লাইনত আহি আছে তেনেকৈ ষ্ট্ৰেট লাইনতে সিহঁত গুচি যাব. Okay, so this is the main character of optical center. Okay, after that, just like the mirror, it also have center of curvature and it also have focus. Okay, but ইয়াৰ অকণমান টপিকটো বেলেগ হয়. So if we look carefully, see that suppose there is a convex mirror, convex lens, sorry, suppose there is a convex lens. Okay, if we look carefully, if we produce them, then it will form a sphere na. যদি আমি আজি অলপ বহাই দিলেন তাহলে ই এটা স্পেয়ার ফর্মেশন কৰিলেতেন, এফালে ই এটা স্পেয়ার কৰিলেতেন আৰু এফালে ই এটা স্পেয়ার কৰিলেতেন. সো এটো অপটিক্যাল সেন্টার. সো এটো স্পেয়াৰৰ কাৰণে এটা সেন্টাৰ অফ কাৰ্ভেচাৰ থাকিলেতেন সি, আৰু এটো স্পেয়াৰৰ কাৰণে এটা সেন্টাৰ অফ কাৰ্ভেচাৰ থাকিলেতেন সি. সো দুটা সেন্টাৰ অফ কাৰ্ভেচাৰ আছে. ওকে, সো এখন লেন্সৰ সদায় আমি দুটা সেন্টাৰ অফ কাৰ্ভেচাৰ পাম. সো এইহতক আমি ডিনোট কৰিব কাৰণে এটা ডিনোট কৰিম C1, এটা ডিনোট কৰিম C2. ওকে, এন্ড ইয়াৰ মাজে এটা লাইন পাৰ হৈ যাব যেলক as a mirror, that is same principal axis বুলি কোৱা হয়. This line just like same as a mirror, it is considered as a principal axis. And center of curvature here too. Why? Because this is also part of a sphere and this portion also part of a spherical mirror. So they have a two center. So this is they are convex lenses also have two centers. Similarly, for the concave lens, this one also have this like a circle, and this one also have a circle like sphere like that. So this one also have a center. So this is also C1, this is also C2. It will also passes through optical center O. Okay, so this is the main thing. Next, we also have here the focal length. Okay, focus also we have. So always remember that convex lens, this is called convex lens, and this is called concave lens. Convex lens and concave lens. So convex lens and concave lens, what is the main difference? That convex lens, whatever when the ray of light comes parallel to principal axis, যেতিয়া ray of light parallel to principal axis ahibo, okay, then convex ki kore, it converts to a single point. Then convex will convert the ray of light to a single point like this way, which point also lie on the principal axis. Okay, and that point will be considered focus of convex lens, and this is denoted by F. Okay, also yet what likha ase is a ray to okol ephalo pa ahibo paru. Ray also come from this side. For our advantage, we always consider that object on the left side, but maybe sometime ray also come from this side also na. So there also we will get another focus. So here jeto focus ephalo eta pam, ephalo eta focus pam. So we have to consider this as a F1 and this as a F2. Okay, and the interesting part is what the distance between optical center and focus is equal to the distance between the focus and the center of curvature. That's why the distance from optical center to center of curvature will be the double of the focal length. Okay, so this is considered as a 2f1. মানে আমি c1 to twice of f1 consider কৰিব পাৰো কাৰণ distance তাৰ double হৈ যায়. So ইয়াতো আমি এনেকৈ কি consider কৰিব পাৰো 2f2 consider কৰিব পাৰো. Okay, so এইখিনিলৈকে আমাৰ important portion আছে for the convex lens. So similarly concave কি হয় চোৱা যেতিয়া ৰেবোৰ parallel to principal axis আহিব আগৰ আমি যেনেকৈ convex mirror imaginary আৰু virtual image পাইছিলো now ইয়াৰ আমি concave lens of পাই আছো. So ই কি কৰিব ইয়াক ডাইভাৰ্স কৰিব এনেকৈ মানে ইয়াক just like torchlight নিচিনা এনেকৈ পোহৰটো ডাইভাৰ্স কৰিব. Okay, then obviously ইহঁতে ক'তো intersect নকৰিব না কাৰণ এইকেইটা গুলো কেতিয়াও ব্লক কৰিব নোৱাৰিব. Then we have to imagine that these rays are coming from a point which is on the principal axis. আমি ইমাজিন কৰিব লাগিছে যে এইবিলাক এনেকুৱাকৈ লাগিব লাগিছে এই ৰেকেইটা ক'ৰবাত প্ৰিন্সিপাল এক্সিছত থকা এটা পইণ্টৰ পৰা ওলাই অহা নিচিনাকৈ লাগিছে নেকি দেন সেই পইণ্টটোকে ইয়াৰ প্ৰিন্সিপাল ফ'কাছ বুলি কনচিডাৰ কৰা হ'ব. ছেম ইয়াকো তোমাৰ f1 আৰু ইয়াকো তোমাৰ f2 থাকিব. চিমিলাৰলি এইটো তোমাৰ 2f1 আৰু এইটো তোমাৰ 2f2 হৈ যাব. 2f1 and 2f2 why this is happening? Just because the distance from 0 to C is the double of the distance from 0 to F. That's why we are considering that. Okay, so this is the considering as a principal focus for concave lens and this is considering as a principal focus for convex lens. Okay, so from this we come to a conclusion that convex lens, the ray of light intersecting after reflection intersecting spontaneously. So convex lens give real and inverted image. So convex lens আমি কি পাম real আৰু inverted image পাম. আৰু concave lens as the ray of light does not intersect spontaneously we have to produce them, so they give virtual and erect image. Okay, so আমাৰ জানিবলগীয়া কথা আছে এইকেইটা. Okay, then just like the mirror, concave lens and convex lens also have the sign convention. Okay, see it is same with the mirror. Okay, try to remember for a concave mirror we have the sign convention that object distance, that is u is negative, v image distance this is also negative, and f focal length this is also negative. Then magnification m was formula by formula it is defined as what minus etu part ami pisot discuss korim magnification. Okay, and convex mirror convex mirror কি আছিলে that u negative and v positive and f also positive, where u is the object distance, v is the image distance, and f is the focal length. So whatever the sign convention we have for the concave mirror and convex mirror, same sign convention we have for concave lens and convex lens. মানে এটো আমাৰ এটা এডভান্টেজ আছে, আমি যদি মিৰৰ খনৰ যদি মনত ৰাখিব পাৰো আমাৰ লেন্স খনৰ কাৰণে আমি টেনচন লোৱা দৰকাৰ নাই, অটোমেটিক্যালি এটো ইকুৱেল হৈ গৈ থাকিব। ওকে, মানে সেম হৈ গৈ থাকিব। জাস্ট ওয়ান কন্ডিশন ইজ এপ্লাইড হিয়াৰ। সি mirror formula was what? 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. It was the mirror formula. But the lens formula is what? Lens formula is what? That 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. মানে lens formula কি হৈ গল যে ইয়াত মাইনাস আছে আৰু ইয়াত mirror formula কি আছে প্লাস আছে। সো এইটো চেঞ্জ কোড প্ৰবলেম ইফেক্ট হ'ব জানানে ইয়াৰ ম্যাগনিফিকেশন। When you are going to find the magnification, okay, so here magnification কি হ'ব চাই লোৱা, m is equal to generally mirror কাৰণে আছিল minus v by u, but here magnification directly v by u, here no minus sign will become. So for the concave mirror or for the concave lens, here v negative, u also negative, so you will get positive. So for the if the positive magnification is the positive, then the lens is convex lens. So ইয়াৰ উল্টা হৈ গল, মানে পজিটিভ হলে লেন্সৰ কাৰণে ইমেজটো ৰিয়েল আৰু ইনভাৰ্টেড হয়, আৰু যদি নেগেটিভ হৈ যায় ম্যাগনিফিকেশন দেন ইমেজটো কি হৈ যাব ভাৰ্চুৱেল আৰু ইৰেক্ট, মানে মিৰৰৰ লগত ম্যাগনিফিকেশনটো উল্টা হৈ যায় ইন টাৰ্মস অফ লেন্স। ওকে, so after that we have another thing, this is power of a lens. Power of a lens. This is divided by T. So this is what? This is the ability of a lens. Power of a lens is what? It is the ability of a lens to how many amount of rays a convex lens is. A convex lens how many amount of ray can converge to a single point. মানে ই কিমান amount of ray এটা পইণ্টলৈ কনভাৰ্জ কৰিব পাৰিছে, আৰু এখন কনকেভ লেন্সে কিমান এমাউন্ট অফ ৰে ডাইভাৰ্জ কৰিব পাৰিছে, সেইটোকে ইয়াৰ কি বুলি কোৱা হয় পাৱাৰ অফ এ লেন্স। যদি কোনোবাই যদি বেছিকে ডাইভাৰ্জ কৰিব পাৰিছে তাৰ পাৱাৰটো বেছি, কোনোবাই যদি কমকে কনভাৰ্জ কৰিব পাৰিছে তেতিয়া তাৰ পাৱাৰটো কম হৈ যাব। সো হাউ মেনি এমাউন্ট অফ ৰে এ মিৰৰ অৰ এ লেন্স কেন কনভাৰ্জ অৰ এ লেন্স কেন ডাইভাৰ্জ is considered as a power of that particular lens. So how it is defined? Power is equal to 1 by focal length. So power is equal to what? 1 by focal length. That means focal length or reciprocal to হৈ গল কি তোমাৰ power. Okay, and the unit of power, if the power is considered as a diopter, then the power is what? Diopter. Okay, d, this is noted by d. Also you can also write 1 by focal length unit is meter, so 1 by 1 per meter. Okay, if the now question is what is 1 diopter? What is 1 diopter? 1 diopter is what? When a lens have focal length of 1 meter, then the power of the lens will be 1 diopter. মানে এখন লেন্সৰ যদি focal length 1 meter হয় তেতিয়া হলে তাৰ পাৱাৰটো কি হৈ যাব 1 diopter হৈ যাব। ওকে, আৰু এটা কথা আছে ইয়াৰ লগত, suppose we have given 3 lenses. Okay, suppose we have given 3 lenses P1, P2 and P3, মানে আমাৰ দিয়া আছে ধৰা তিনিখন লেন্স দিয়া আছে যাৰ তিনিখনৰ পাৱাৰ তোমাৰ কি কি আছে P1 হল এখনৰ, এখন হল P2 and এখন হল P3. Then we are asked to find what is the total power. Simply total power P total will be P1 plus P2 plus P3, মানে আমি তিনিটা পাৱাৰ কি কৰিম প্লাস কৰি দিম। Now one more question, if lens is convex, যদি লেন্সখন কনভেক্স হয় then f is equal to positive, and we know that p equal to 1 by f, that is 1 by this is positive, that means power also positive. যদি লেন্সখন কনভেক্স হয় তেতিয়া তাৰ পাৱাৰটো পজিটিভ হ'ব। যদি তোমাক কিবা কয় that if lens have +2 diopter, so what type of lens is this, you directly have to say the lens is convex lens. And if the lens is concave, then f will be negative, then p will be also 1 by minus f, that will be, you will get negative. So when the power is in negative, okay, then suppose minus 2.5, okay, what is your power of the spec? Suppose my power of the spec, suppose minus 1.5, then you can clearly say that I am using concave lens. Okay, so these are for about the lens. Basic things I am explaining only here because showing all the mathematics is not possible. Okay, so I am showing only the basic things about the lens formula, about the magnification, and what are the differences between the magnification of mirror and between the magnification of lenses. Okay, I hope you understand this. So that's all for today. Okay, thank you.